Welcome to 100 Affirmations to become confident and powerful. Let's begin. I believe in myself completely. I trust my abilities and my judgment. I am confident in who I am. I stand tall and speak with certainty. I am comfortable being seen and heard. I know my worth and I honor it daily. I am secure in my identity. I trust myself to handle anything and everything. I am proud of who I am becoming. I radiate self-assurance. I am powerful beyond measure. My presence commands respect. I take up space unapologetically. I own my voice and use it wisely. I choose courage over fear. I am in control of my choices. My energy is strong and grounded. I act with clarity and authority. I trust my inner power. I move through life with strength. I am enough exactly as I am. I deserve success and happiness. I release the need for external validation. I respect myself deeply. I treat myself with kindness and honor. I am worthy of my dreams. I value my time and energy. I no longer doubt my values. I deserve to be confident. I am deserving of great things. I face challenges with confidence. I grow stronger with every experience. I bounce back quickly and powerfully. I am fearless in pursuit of my goals. I embrace discomfort as growth. I trust myself to figure things out. I am resilient and unstoppable. I rise every time I fall. I am brave in moments of uncertainty. I turn obstacles into opportunities. I lead with confidence and integrity. People respect my decisions. I influence others positively. I speak clearly and assertively. I trust my leadership abilities. I inspire confidence in others. I am calm, focused, and decisive. I walk with purpose. I embody authority and grace. I am naturally confident. My thoughts support my confidence. I choose empowering beliefs. I release self-doubt instantly. I think clearly and act boldly. I focus on what I can control. I trust the process of my growth. My mind is calm and powerful. I am mentally strong. I am confident in my decisions. I trust my intuition. I express myself freely and confidently. I honor my truth. I allow myself to shine. I am comfortable being myself. I embrace my uniqueness. I show up as my full self. I speak my truth with confidence. I am unapologetically myself. I trust my inner voice. I celebrate who I am. I am capable of great success. I expect positive outcomes. I take confident action daily. I achieve what I set my mind to. I am aligned with success. I move toward my goals with confidence. I am focused and determined. I believe in my vision. I claim my success boldly. I am confident in my path. I radiate confidence and calm. My energy attracts respect. I am grounded and centered. I walk into every room with confidence. I am aware of my power. I command attention effortlessly. I am confident in my body and mind. I move with purpose and ease. I carry myself with strength. I trust my presence. I release fear and step into power. I choose confidence every day. I am free from self-doubt. I allow confidence to flow naturally. I am in alignment with my power. I honor my confidence journey. I am constantly growing stronger. I claim my power now. I am confident in all areas of my life. I fully embody confidence and power. Here's a small, meaningful, motivational rhyme for you. One brave step, then one more. You're stronger than you were before. Keep your heart steady, your vision clear. What you seek is already near. One brave step, then one more. You're stronger than you were before. Keep your heart steady, your vision clear. What you seek is already near. One brave step, then one more. You're stronger than you were before. Keep your heart steady, your vision clear. What you seek is already near. Thank you. Bye-bye.